Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the duplicate of any data. Now let us see in this example. Here the name of the employees are written and below the day 1 some numerical values have been written and the day 2 row is empty. Now take an example. If I want to copy the same content which is available above in a day 2, so instead of doing the copy paste, there is a very magical key available in MS Excel, that is Ctrl+D. So with the help of this particular Ctrl+D, you can copy the content of the above cell in your respective cell. Now let us see, I am now going to press the key Ctrl+D. Now once I pressed it, whatever the data available on the top cells, it will be pasted in the bottommost cell. In this way you can use this particular Ctrl+D key for making the duplicate data of your prior data. Thank you.